and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today I got a quick little video on removing the front windshield. I've never done this before, but just kind of looking at the process of how it's installed. I believe by just using a utility knife, you can cut it right out and then hopefully push it out and catch it. Anyways, this glass is perfect, so I'm hoping I don't break it. And I already got half of it cut. I'll show you that. Already got up to this point. It's all the way cut around and down here on the bottom. So I'm just gonna finish up this little side here and then pop it out. So stay tuned. We'll just keep it going here. So anyways, just trying to see where this. Now really I'm hoping that just by cutting the top, I'll be able to push it out and then lift it up off the bottom. So this part to me isn't too concerning, but anyways, I'm just trying to, since I'm here cutting it, might as well. As you can tell, this is just going right around that. So hopefully, when I get out there, I can just pop it out. I'm gonna go get my blanket and all that set up, and I'll bring it back. Alrighty everyone, I got it cut. And what I did is I took it all the way down to the middle where I could see the whole flange all the way around that. And there she goes. I could tell that she was starting to get there. So now I'm gonna wrap her up and put her in a safe spot. I'm going to leave that rubber on there just to hopefully protect the edges of it. And that way, when it's time to go and reinstall it, I'll have to take that rubber off and replace the new. And hopefully she's all in still one good piece. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have a different way of doing this, please feel free to comment and let everybody know how you get it off. And thanks again. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.